want to. It's scary.
Where is it? Oh,
Look at that motherfucker! He's like half of him right there.
oh. Our last ping pong ball.
Quick, pick the table up before we get in trouble. It's you. That's what she said.
Hey, look, it's crawling toward you.
Dude, Megan, I'm sorry, but this needs to be done.
Hey, I don't use that.
Motherfucker!
You missed. You freaking.
Dude, high five! Oh, he's done.
Is he dead?
Don't put him over there. Pick him up.
No, stop. We can't break Megan's toys.
I don't really like it anymore.
He's still moving.
What are you doing to it?
Alright, we're done. We're done.
What if it starts moving?
There's another one!
What if it really was?
Oh,
What if that was just a baby spider?
fuck, dude, that thing had so many damn juices in it.
Fucking one is mine,
Don't
man.
fucking touch either one of those, because you won't like them.
Oh my god!
This one's mine.
Oh, fuck. Holy fuck.
Nigga.
Hey, Roy.
Poke you with it.
Roy.
I'm gonna poke you with it.
Roy.
Don't.
Roy.
I'm allergic to spike.
Hey, Roy. Say goodbye to the camera.
Did we really break the last fucking ball?
Sorta. Say goodbye to the camera.
After all of that, we